Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock characters in Sonic Rumble. First of all, launch open the Sonic Rumble game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. And once you're inside the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the character icon at the bottom left corner, this one, and then you'll end up in this customize page. From here, go to the right corner and you will see the skins option. From the skins, go ahead and choose one of the unlocked skin and click on equip. Now, you will be able to change the character in Sonic Rumble. Some of the characters out there will not be unlocked yet. Common unlock method includes completing story missions or stages, earning in-game currency or coins, collecting special items or tokens, and reaching a specific player level. So, just make sure to keep playing the game in order to unlock more characters for Sonic Rumble. You'll then be able to unlock more characters as you progress throughout the game, and you'll be able to change your character just like that. So that is how you easily unlock characters in Sonic Rumble. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.